Hello, today I'm going to show you a very simple way how to organize your resistors. Basically, you go from this to this. You can appreciate the beauty of this lovely organized setup. It's very simple. We only need some ring blinders, double-sided card folders, and Ziploc bags. I would recommend to get the Ziploc bags of the same size of the card folder pockets. You also need some labels or a label machine. Also make sure you put the label in the bag instead of the card folder. In this way, it's easier to rearrange the bags and also to reuse the folders for other purposes. In the description below the video, I put some links for these products. I hope you found this video useful. Let me know in the comments if you have other ways of organizing your electronic components. Thanks for watching.